Hey, welcome to Fly July for July 10th. Bug flew up my nose.
Hey everybody, Rich here, coming to you from over southwest Wisconsin, and this is our Fly July vlog for July 12th. So before I get into it, click like and subscribe so that you can keep following along. We're going to do this the rest of the month, and then maybe into the next month, we'll see. So Fly July, been a couple days since I posted, and the reason for that is because I've had some really boring flights and a technical mishap. So first, the technical mishap. So I did a flight 3 days ago that was throwing a GoPro out of the window of my plane. And it was a beautiful night. Took off and climbed really rapidly up about 3,000 or 4,000 feet. Circled around, just kind of enjoyed the sights. So we found the farm, and then the goal was to do like a flower bombing, but do a flower bombing with a GoPro instead of a bag of flour. So I went down the length of the runway there and dropped the GoPro. Got some good footage and kind of enjoyed it, had a blast with it. Nice little landing too, right at the end of the day, beautiful lighting. And then I got into the video suite and found out that there was no audio on any of that. So that's why you're hearing about it now and seeing the images from that trip now. Then after that, I flew every day. This is July 12th. And I've flown every day so far this month, but the last 2 days, the flights have been really boring. Yesterday, it was a simple flight just to bring the airplane into the mechanic for an oil change and to have some minor mechanical work done. Today, I'm just going from Wisconsin down to Chicago. You have to spend the weekend down there. So neither of these were flights that were particularly interesting. So I didn't put together a package. So that's what we're doing now, doing a little recap video. It's July 12th, you'll probably be viewing this on the 13th, and so far I've had an uninterrupted stretch of flying, and hopefully over the next couple days I'll be doing some flying that's more interesting and put together some additional vlogs. So until then, I'll see you soon.